My dear, when you will execute this program, what will happen? Can you tell me the story over here?
Allah
Mr.
display, sir.
Yes, I agree with you. But I would like to know from you, what is the whole story? What will happen when you will go on executing this program, my dear? Now, for all of my
Yes, sir.
students, I do tell you the whole story of the execution of a program. When a program consists of a function over there, what will happen over there and how the program will be executed over there. Mr. Sami, are you ready over there?
Yes, sir.
Right now, a program is before you. Before telling you the whole story of the execution of this program, that one is before you onto the screen, my dear. I do tell you a little bit about this code over here. At line number 12, my dear, we have declared a function. What is the name of the function, my dear?
Display, sir. Yes, sir.
And if we look onto the instructions, that begins with the line number 14 and ends with the line number 17.
Yes, sir.
These are the instructions that are named as what, my dear? Function definition. And my
Yes,
dear
sir.
Mr. Sami, in the function definition, we do write the actual code of the function, my dear. Are you getting, my dear?
Yes, sir.
And we have written a code in the function named display, my dear. What will happen when this function will be executed, my dear? Tell me, Mr. Sami.
Allah will display, sir.
The string Allah will be displayed, my dear. Your answer is correct, my dear. And the last thing for exploring the program, my dear, the main function that begins with the line number 20 and ends with the line number 25, my dear.
Yes, sir.
And within the main function, my dear, we have written one thing. That one is known as what, my dear?
Function call.
Function call, my dear. And the function call we have written within the main function at line number what, my dear?
22, sir.
Your answer is correct, my dear. It means you are there with us. My dear, when this program that is before you onto the screen, you can watch the program right now onto your screen. My dear, when this program will be executed, the control of execution will be shifted to the main function over there. Are you getting, my dear?
Yes, sir.
The point to be noted over here is whenever you will execute a program, the compiler will look for one thing. That one is the main function. The compiler looks for what, my dear?
Main
Main
function call.
It means the actual program begins with what, my dear? The main function. Are you
Yes,
getting,
sir.
my dear?
Yes, sir.
If you look over here, my dear, within the main function, at line number 22,
Yes,
my
sir.
dear, Mr. Sami, I'm asking you a question at line number 22. Over here, right now before you onto the screen, my dear, there is a function call statement, my dear. I am
Yes, sir.
asking you a question. When this function call statement will be executed, what will happen, my dear?
Control of the execution will be shifted to function definition, sir.
Your answer is correct, my dear. And another question to you, Mr. Sami. What will happen, my dear, when this function
Allah will,
definition will be executed, my dear?
Allah will display, sir.
Your answer is correct, my dear. I'm very happy, my dear. I do tell you, when the function definition will be executed, whatever the result of the function definition is there, that will be placed after function call, my dear. Are you getting, my dear?
Yes, sir.
The point to be noted, it is very important, my dear, when the function definition in the program will be executed, what will happen? Whatever the result or the output of the function definition is there, that will be placed after what, my dear? The function call.
Function call.
Are you getting, my dear?
Yes, sir.
Thank you very much.